Namaste. I am Vijay Kumar Shivale from Department of Pharmacology, Sant Gajanan Maharaj College of Pharmacy, Mahagaon. In this video, explain concept and application of clinical pharmacovigilance. Dear learners, by watching this video, you will be able to define pharmacovigilance and adverse drug reactions, explain management of adverse drug reactions, justify need for pharmacovigilance, realize importance of pharmacovigilance, and explain applications of pharmacovigilance. Let us discuss term pharmacovigilance. It is derived from two different words. First one is Greek word pharmakon, that means medicinal substances. Second one is Latin word vigilia, that means to keep watch. These terms are used to form the term pharmacovigilance because pharmacovigilance is a process of watching of adverse drug reactions produced by medicinal substances. As per WHO, it is a science deals with monitoring, assessing, understanding and preventing adverse drug reactions and other drug problems. Let us discuss adverse drug reaction. An adverse drug reaction is the noxious or unintended response occurring by the administration of normal therapeutic dose of drug. Here, noxious means harmful, poisonous, toxic effect. Usually, the adverse drug reactions are managed by two ways, either by discontinuing the drug therapy or by reducing the quantity of drug dose. By taking these measures, one can prevent adverse drug reactions. Let us discuss why there is a need of pharmacovigilance. In clinical trials, insufficient data is obtained about drug safety and drug tested on a lesser population. When clinical trials are performed for new drugs, it is tested on limited number of population. So, obtained data is insufficient to predict future problems of drugs. In clinical trials, drugs' effect on specific disease are studied. This means the drug effect is investigated only for particular class of disease. For example, investigation of drug effect on lung cancer or investigation of drug effect on hypertension condition. In clinical trials, study of a specific category of population is involved. The clinical trials are not performed on children, elders and pregnant women. So, new drug investigators feels difficulties to predict drug effects in children and elders or in pregnancy. Also, in clinical trials, there is a use of limited number of years to predict adverse drug reactions. Some drugs may produce adverse drug reactions on repeated use of drug for longer period. So, adverse drug reactions produced by use of drugs for longer time may not be predicted in clinical trials. In 1998, Lazzaro mentions in his study, in 1994 adverse drug reactions were 4th to 6th commonest cause of death in United States of America. In 2004, Pir Mohammed in his study mentions in United Kingdom 5,700 deaths may occur annually due to the adverse drug reactions. In 2005, Lefekin said, dying from a disease is sometimes unavoidable. Dying from a medicine is unacceptable. He wants to say death may occur due to the some of the diseases is unavoidable in some cases, but death occurs due to the use of medicines is unacceptable because medicines are prepared or used to save the person or patient or to avoid the death. It's a time to think and reflect. Pause the video and record the answer in notebook on question. What you think? What are the importance of pharmacovigilance in drug therapy? If you have finished writing, play the video and see the answer. Let me answer you importance of pharmacovigilance. To detect risk factors of drugs, by assessing adverse drug reactions, we are able to detect risk factors of drugs and avoid them. To identify the rate and severity of adverse drug reactions, by identifying frequency and intensity of adverse drug reactions, we are able to reduce the severity or frequency of adverse drug reaction by adjusting drug dosage. To prevent avoidable drug complications in patient, yes, pharmacovigilance process helps to prevent complications occurred due to the medicines. To enhance the safety of drugs, by managing adverse drug reactions produced by particular drugs, the physician can enhance safety of drugs. To reduce healthcare costs, pharmacovigilance process helps to reduce adverse drug reactions. That's why it also reduces healthcare costs. Thus, clinical applications of pharmacovigilance: to investigate adverse drug reactions, to investigate drug-drug interactions and food-drug interactions. In order to prevent adverse drug reactions and drug interactions with other drugs and foods. To reduce cost of drug therapy and to rationalize the drug therapy. Pharmacovigilance process reduces drug therapy cost by rationalizing drug therapy. Clinical applications of pharmacovigilance to enhance the safety of drug therapy. Here, pharmacovigilance process helps prevention of adverse drug reactions and other drug problems. So, it enhances safety of drug therapy. I hope you will understand concept of pharmacovigilance and its clinical applications. Thank you. Happy learning.